Good morning, hello, and welcome to my new flat. So, as you know, I am now in London, back to London, can't seem to stay away from London, and I've moved to the gorgeous, gorgeous Hampstead. This area is insanely beautiful. I've been wandering around this place. I can see now why you've got like Ricky Gervais and Harry Styles and all kind of people living here. I've actually bumped into Ricky Gervais, saw Alan Davies, comedian, recently. Yeah, this area is so lovely, so nice. So yeah, so I am here, I am in Hampstead, I am back in London, glad to be here. And yeah, just wanted to give you a quick tour of my new place. It's small, it's not the biggest, but it's three bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's in a lovely, lovely part of Hampstead. So yeah, let me show you around. Okay, so this is the main living area, and it's kind of like 3 areas in one. So on this side here, I've created the dining area. So thankfully, the big dining table that I had in the other flat fits in here really, really well. I do have 2 more chairs that go on the other side there, but don't really need those, to be honest. So I think this looks really lovely, and I think it fits this area really well. Yeah, I think this looks really nice here. So we've got the dining area here, and then if I swing it round, I've got the living area here. So you remember my lovely blue sofas from Sofology. So I put them here. My TV looks absolutely tiny in the corner there, but never mind, never mind. Yeah, but I think it fits well. Now I've got this canvas print here and this painting here. That's going to go on the wall there. I'm a little bit worried about putting it on the wall because these walls are like super, super smooth. There's nothing that looks like it's been put on the wall. So I'm a little bit worried, but that is due to go on there. And then this is just the second sofa, and this is the other view from this side. So this is the view of the room from this side. I could put something on this wall. I might do, I might not. See how I feel. So that's kind of like the living area. And then over here, I've got like my office space. So I've created like a little space here. Fits in well because there is so much space in this section here. So it doesn't really take up any room. So obviously I've got my side table there, and then I've created like my office area just here as well. So I think that that works well too. So I've got enough room throughout the whole of this room to create 3 different areas. And you know, it's more than enough for me and another person, even 2 other people. I think is more than enough room, including the cat. Maxie! Hey! It always wants to get in on the act. So as we carry on through this way, we've got the kitchen. Now I think this is the worst room in the house, and I did already ask them if they would put a new kitchen in because it is so old and dated. Doesn't look too bad here, but the units are pretty old. They had to fit a new boiler, as you know, because the boiler packed up on me after 3 days. Typical. So it took 2 weeks to get a new boiler. I was freezing, but never mind. So I'm not going to spend too long in here because it's my least favorite room. But that's the kitchen. And then as I carry on here, under stairs storage, and then we've got bathroom number 1 in here. So everything is slightly dated, to be honest, but it's clean, tidy, it's fine. You've got a shower there, so it's a really useful added extra there. And then we have stairs leading up there, and then I've put my little cabinet here. This is what I was using in my office, but I think it fits in quite well there. Now excuse the second bedroom, this is like a junkyard still at the moment because I brought the Christmas stuff down from Rugby recently, so that's all being stored in here. yeah, got a bit of furniture that didn't quite fit because it's quite a small room because of the sloping ceilings. So yeah, it's a shame. You really need a little bit of extra space, but managed to get my my dressing table in there, which is good. So in all fairness, you know, like I say, it's really just a guest room. Obviously I'll clear it out more, but this is just a guest room, so it's fine. And then in here we've got the main bedroom with the lovely windows, but these windows are a nightmare because of condensation, because they're the single pane windows and they're not in good condition. The frames are rotting. They haven't really looked after them, but it's fine. It is what it is. It is what it is. Looks fabulous. So I have my bed here, so that fits in well here. And then I've got built-in storage and wardrobes here, which is really handy. Very lucky that my ottoman fit in here. And if I just come round to this side, hopefully you can still hear me because it's always a little bit noisy here. But yeah, you can see the other side. There's Maxie again. You can see the other side of the room. So that's the other side. And then the ensuite is just through here. Again, a little bit dated in style and everything, but it's fine. It's clean and tidy. Good shower. Bidet. Not that I ever use that, but yeah, that's the ensuite, and we shall carry on onwards and upwards. And then we have another room up here. Now my daughter's going to be taking this room, so this is got nothing in it at the moment, but yeah, we have another space up here. So it's just got her stuff here. That was from my trip to IKEA. And then there's an ensuite in here as well. So very good. It's not the biggest apartment in the world, but in all honesty, like I say, for like, I'd say 1 to 3 people, it is absolutely fine. Plenty of space, it's nice, it's in a lovely, lovely area. The houses around here are insane. They really are insane. This is my view out the back. As you can see, there's some lovely gardens here. This one they've literally just done. But, you know, I've got a pretty nice view from up here. I love that little cabin thingy in the back there, but yeah, all in all, I think a really nice view. So that is it. That is my flat tour. This is where I am now. Cannot tell you how much I love Hampstead, and it's such a good location for me to be able to get onto the M1, to be able to get back up to Rugby. Euston's only 5 stops away. Yeah, great location for me. And yeah, let's see how long I stay here. It is rental, so I will be moving again at some point, but hopefully let's hope the next move is just literally around the corner, or even actually, funnily enough, the house next door is up for sale, but that's 2 flats, and they're selling it as 1 house, so it's about 5 million. A little bit out of my price range at the moment, but yeah, my prayer is that I just literally can just pick up the furniture and just walk down the road and buy something just down the road. So yeah, let's see. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tour, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.